Okay, our multiple table report is looking pretty good now. We're going to do one thing here. We're going to add a field to it. So when we did the report wizard, let's say we forgot to put a field in. Now we're going to be able to add it in here while we're still in layout view. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this on the format tab, the add existing fields button. Okay, we click that and now we get a list of the fields that we can add into this report. Alright, well, the fields we're going to add is going to be specialties needed. Now I need you to pay close attention here because this is where things could go horribly wrong if you don't click the right spot. Okay, here's specialties needed. Here's specialties needed dot value. Okay, two similar things, but they do different results depending on which one you drag and put into your report. We're going to click and hold on the specialties needed. Now when I click on it and drag it in, okay, we could see it right there. Now if I were to click on specialties needed value, as I hover over that, you can see it turns that lighter yellow color. Make sure you're not pulling in the value, okay? Specialties needed. And what we want to do, simply to add, it's really easy to add. I just want to make sure you don't get backwards there and throw your report off. If you put the value in, it will format it in a really weird way, and you'll have to start the whole report over again in order to get it back to the way you want it. So to add, kind of a little sidebar there, to add the specialties needed, you just click on it and drag it to the location that you want it. Okay, and we're going to put it right here after client number. You let go and it fills it in there for you. I'm going to go ahead and resize this a little bit so that they all fit in on one line, like so, and now we can close the field list. The last thing we're going to do with this report, it's looking very good right now, is we're going to go ahead and add the subtotals and totals in like we did on the clients by city report. So click on the first value, click totals, hit sum, it fills them in for you. Same thing for the current due. Fills in those totals and subtotals for you. We're not going to do any conditional formatting. This is going to be our report. This is our clients by recruiter report. You can go ahead and click on the save button right here. Now one thing I'll show you right now is if you were just to click close on it, after doing those edits, it would ask you if you wanted to save that. It treats this just like it would like a Word file or an Excel spreadsheet. This is essentially its own file, but it's stored here in your Access database. So you want to save the changes. So I'm going to hit yes. It's the same thing as having hit the save button up here, except I wanted to show you that little pop-up that warns you you're about to lose what you did unless you save it. And you say, yes, I do want to save it. So that's your Clients by Recruiter report. And you can print that too just by clicking on the report and then hitting print. You don't have to print any of these and you know, mail them to me for this assignment. I just want you to know how to print reports, and that's as easy as it is. You just select it and go up to print. Okay, that's the second report. That's the multi-table report. I hope it wasn't too challenging for you. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a form, a pretty simple basic form in Access, and I'll get into that in the next walkthrough.